Hello friends, myself Lakshmani Vinayak Darekar. Today we are going to discuss Java new point, that is method. In Java, method is a set of code which perform a specific task to perform a specific task. Now we run a task of any method, then it is called. When it is called, then only run the method. Now with the definition, there are two types of method. Number one, predefined method, and number two, user defined method. In predefined method, the already defined some method in Java, and user defined method, it is defined by the user. Definition is made by the user. In predefined method, for example, print, short, in array, then square, etc. In user defined method like addition, subtraction, or any method if you want to. How to differentiate predefined method and user defined method? Predefined method is followed by the semicolon. For example, print, then round brace, then semicolon. But in case of user defined method, it is not followed by the semicolon, only parenthesis. For example, addition with round brace. The syntax of method is access modifier, then return type, then method name, then round brace, and body of a method. For example, public void, then method name, and curly brace, and then body of a method. Public access modifier, there are four types of access modifier, that is public, default, private, and protected. If we not write any access modifier, then it is default access modifier is a default. In return type, if in return type you write any data type like int, char, float, double, or any, and then method name. What is the advantages of method? The first advantage is method is decrease the line of code. Number two advantage, it is increase the readability of a code. Number three, it is repetition of the code. It is avoid the repetition of code. This is a types of access modifier with definition of method. Sorry, and then with the return type and parameter or argument, there are four types of method. Number one method is no return type, no argument. Number two, no return type with argument. Number three, return type with no argument, with return type with argument. And in Java, it is called as method, but in C++ it is called as a function. Why? In Java, we declare a method inside or function within a class. That's why it is called as a method. But in C or C++, method function is defined anywhere whole the program. Then it is called as a function in C or C++. But in Java, we declare method or define a method within a class. Then it is called as a method. The rules of to define the rules of method is two parts. Number one, definition, and number two, calling. In definition part, we declare access modifier, then return type, and then method name, and calling. If we declare a method any side in anywhere in the class, then it is calling by using the object. How to create an object? Object is created followed by following syntax, that is class name, then object name is equal to the new and then class name round brace with followed by semicolon, and this object name dot method or parenthesis semicolon, it is a calling of object or any object method. This is a method of calling. We call a method anywhere with the object, so that's why it is very necessary to call any method. It is create a object of a class. That's why it is called as a method in Java. This is all about the method in Java. Thank you.